Okay, so how you feel about the hair?
Well, I feel like it's fucking awesome. And it just, like, look at the body. Adi.
And it's moving.
It's like the movement is flawless. Oh, this is... Oh, I look like I cost money. Like...
On the beat.
What up, best friends? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a wig from Aliexpress. This is from Unice. I've been working with them lately and they have not let me down thus far. So it came with a wig cap. It came with a goodie bag. The goodie bag includes some hair clips, a scarf, and some lashes, okay? And so what I got is a wavy 12-inch bob, Brazilian hair. And let's take her out so we can see it. Is it wavy? No, it's body wave. Wait, yeah, it's body wave. So this is what it looks like straight out the pack. Take that off. The lace is already medium brown. It's a little bit light, so I am gonna go in and tint it. This is a lace front wig, so you get partial parting on the side, you get majority of the parting in the middle, and you have 3 combs, adjustable straps. The hair is soft. It doesn't have any smell. It smells like factory. But yeah, so the knots are not bleached, so we are gonna go in and have to bleach the knots on this wig. And the hairline is pre-plucked, and it's plucked really good. Like, it's really plucked good, so we're not gonna have to do that whatsoever. So, but I am gonna go in and bleach the knots, so let's jump right into that. So to bleach, I am gonna use Quick Blue with 40 volume developer, and you're gonna need a tinting bowl and your brush, your tinting brush. Oh, here we go. And a tinting brush. So I'm gonna do 1 scoop bleach to 1 scoop developer, mix it up, and it's gonna be the consistency that I want. So I like to sit and let it fluff up a little bit. So I let it sit for about a minute or 2 and it'll start fluffing up. And this is the consistency I like, because sometimes I like to actually push the bleach into the knots because it doesn't seep all the way through. So if it's fluffy like this and I'm pushing it through, it's not going to give me too much hot roots, which is okay because I could go back and fix that. But I want to make sure that the knots are completely bleached. Okay, so here come the voiceovers, you guys. What's up? All right, so we got the bleach on the knots, you feel me? And I have bleach on the hairline. So I'm gonna just take a towel and I'm gonna just go ahead and just wet it, wipe it off, like just gently, so it won't over bleach certain areas, you feel me? So that's what I'm doing here. I let the bleach sit on the wig for about 25 minutes, and then it's time to rinse it off. You always want to watch anything that you're bleaching to check the level as far as to see the lift of it, okay? Because everything bleach differently. You know, like I always say, temperatures of your homes and everything like that makes a difference, because it could slow down the bleaching process. It could speed up the bleaching process, okay? So I'm gonna just go ahead and rinse it off. So the knots are bleached, and I'm gonna take my favorite purple shampoo. It's called Vanilla No Yellow. It's an ultraviolet shampoo, and I'm just going to lather that up. What I did not show you guys was me using my Aussie Moist conditioner and shampoo and my silicone mix conditioner to treat this wig. But I did show you guys me using the purple shampoo because I feel like that's a key element to customizing your unit. Okay, so I'll let that sit on for a couple of seconds, and then I'll proceed to rinse it off. All right, because the Vanilla No Yellow is a strong violet shampoo, so it will turn your knots gray if you are not careful. All right, you guys. So I did off camera straighten this wig and prepare for install. My friend hit me up. This is one of my close friends. Her name is Unice. You guys seen her on my channel before. She hit me up and she told me she was going to the Drake concert and she needed her hair done. She had braids. She just took them out. So I was like, all right, slide through. You feel me? Because I can't have you out here looking at Drake, or Drake might be looking at you and you not looking your best. You feel me? So she came through. Now, one thing about Janisha, she has very sensitive skin, and it didn't matter what glue we used on her, she kind of broke out. So I decided that I wanted to try the Lemon Burst from Bold Hold on her, because it is specifically for sensitive skin and antibacterial. So it's going to help fight any bacteria or breakouts that might happen or occur underneath her lace. All right, so I cleaned the skin with alcohol, I treated it with a Skin Protect, and then I put 3 layers of the Lemon Burst of Bow Hold on her hair lace line, her hairline, so we could, do a nice little melt. You feel me? And after the 3 layers are done, I'm going to take my liquid gold that's also by Bow Hold, and I'm going to put that on the back of the cap because I like to use that just to help keep the lace from shifting and moving. And this is a great trick if you find that your front of your hairline moves backwards and like you start touching it and it feels sticky. This is a great trick to do so your lace will not shift. All right, so after I do that and I wait for the actual glue that's on her hairline to get tacky or clear, you do not have to wait for the liquid gold to get tacky at all because it's going to dry down on its own. But you do want to make sure that the glue that's on your hairline is clear, okay? So I'm going to lay down the lace. Make sure before you pushing the lace down that you are sure that it's in the right place that you want it to be sitting, okay? So I put the lace down and I'm going to just go ahead and cut off her excessive lace. Now, originally I said this lace was medium brown. No, this is lighter than medium brown because Janisha is pretty light, okay? And yeah, the lace it's a good tone on her. It's a tad dark, but it's nothing that looks crazy. You feel me? So yeah, like it looks good on her. The hairline looks good on her. She didn't need baby hairs, but she definitely wanted them. So that's my friend. I give her what she wants. You feel me? She likes her hair a certain way. Look at that hairline. Like it looks good. It looks good to not have any baby hairs. So I lift up the front of the hairline to see if there's any areas that need more glue, and if it is, I'll apply it and I'll wait till it dry clear, and then I'll push it down like I'm doing in the front of her hairline. All right. So we're going to do some baby hairs. So I'm going to just pull out some because I did not you know, pull baby hairs out in the beginning. So I'm gonna do it now while it's on her. And I like doing this portion on people when I'm doing their install. And no, I don't do installs on everybody, because I've been getting that question a lot lately. I only do installs on my family and friends, and I'm so sorry, but you know, I'm only comfortable doing them on them. Okay, so I'm going to cut some baby hairs, and then I'm going to use my spritz to lay them down. Okay, so this is what her hairline is looking like, and my camera is actually making the lace look a little bit darker than what it is. So yeah, now this hair, this wig was super thick for this length. Okay, and me and myself, I typically like thinner bobs, but some people like thicker bobs. Janice is a person that likes thicker bobs, so this was the perfect wig for her. But the length was at an awkward length. Okay, so yeah, like I feel like when you buy like factory wigs, you have to customize them to make them fit you. Okay, and that length, we just decided that length was not it, so we cut it shorter, and we went in and we did a little bump. You feel me? Because that length right there is perfect for her and everything. Now, you do not have to cut the hair, and you do not have to bleach the knots. You could go straight in with the install. Those are things that you do for customization to make this wig personal to you. Okay, and it does not take away the quality of the wig or anything like that, because you know, if you got good quality hair, it's going to be good regardless. Okay, so we just wanted to make sure that the wig fit her personality, and it definitely does. It looked very much cute on her.
Oh, this is... Oh, I look like I cost money.
So to finalize this unit, we're going to spray her hairline with even lace spray, and then we're going to wrap it down with an elastic band just to make sure that it melts. And yeah, this is basically the ending of this video. Look at the melt. Okay, so you guys, again, let's do a recap. If you have sensitive skin, definitely try boho lemon burst and see if that works for you. All right. If you guys are interested in this definitely affordable wig from AliExpress, I will definitely leave all the information down below in the description box for you guys. This wig is definitely from Unice, and again, she is affordable. Okay, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any video ideas, or if you want me to review any companies or glues or anything, let me know down below. And until next time, bye, best friends. Okay, so how you feel about the hair?
Well, I feel like it's fucking awesome. No, it's amazing though, for real, because
it's soft.
It's soft and silky, shiny, lightweight, and it just, like, look at the body. Yaddy.
And it's moving.
It's like the movement is flawless.
Where you going tonight?
To go see my boo Drake first.
Okay, you back to your normal?
Definitely. Her new name is Nikki, by the way. Lauren, rest in peace. This is Nikki. She thick.
All right, now, okay, turn around again.